Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Life Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Should you buy GameStop stocks? And I'm gonna tell you my 5 bold predictions. And this video could change your life. If this is your first time to Rich Life Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to make more money in life. So if you want to make more money and succeed in life, make sure you subscribe our channel and turn on the bell notifications so you do not miss any of our videos. And at the end of the videos, you can get free stocks and audibles in the description and comment. So look at the GameStop. Uh, 30 days ago, it was only 19.26 USD. Now it's 325 and it jumped as high as 483. So it's 20 times just within a month. That's pretty crazy. The market cap is already 22.67. This GameStop isn't making any money. So that's pretty crazy. The jump like that. So it's because of the short squeeze. So the short seller they are still not giving up, but because they know that the higher the price, the more attractive it is for them to short. So they are still shorting. Even though they lost 20 billion in losses, because when the old one get out, the new ones come in. So it's the way it is. They make money by shorting the shares, but the higher the price of the shares, the more losses they suffer. So they need to cover that. So if you are new to stock investing, short selling is something that investors do when they borrow the shares to sell. Then in future they're gonna buy back the shares to cover their positions. So that's called short selling. So the short interest have declined by just about 5 million shares, about 8% dips. That's not a lot. That's not a lot. And most of the short covering have occurred on Thursday, when the Robinhood restricted the trading of this stock. So of course it makes sense for the short sellers to cover it, when it went down. And GameStop CEO shares are worth about 1 billion right now. And Xiaomi owns 2.36 million, 2 million shares, and the value of the shares became 901 million at the opening of the market on Friday. But the shares were only worth about 44 million on December 31. So look at that, how his fortune changed literally overnight, over 30 days. So his stock price hit 1.1 billion value when the GameStop stock hit about 469. But unfortunately, he couldn't sell his shares because, as you already know, CEO and the higher executive management, if they want to sell the shares, they need to let the SEC know in advance. They need to pre-plan, so they cannot just sell the shares right away. So that's to prevent insider trading. So yeah, so unfortunately it's like, you are looking at a very very delicious hamburger but you couldn't eat. So that's the way that Xiaomi is in right now, the situation he's in right now. And look at after GME and Dogecoin and Bitcoin, Chinese traders are betting what will pump next. It's not only American fever right now, even the whole world, even the Chinese are betting in GME and AMC stuff like that. Justin Sun, he's a billionaire from China, so he's also betting in GME as well. So, but unfortunately, some people got suffer. There's always two sides of the trades. So the hedge fund Maverick Capital, who shorted the shares, suffer a big loss. Some very rich people have lost a lot of money, and fortunately, there's one investor who became a billionaire because of this. His name is Ryan Cohen. He's a billionaire who co-founded the Chewy, the online pet supply store. He spent about 76 million to get 9 million shares, and he joined the board. And his shares were worth more than 3.1 billion at 347 price. So for 4,021 return, that's pretty good return for that. What could he be celebrating like that? Look at his smile. It's $1 billion smile. I'm just kidding. So this photo was probably taken before he became a billionaire. And he has a really, really cute pet called Poodle, Tiny, as well. So he founded this company, Chewy company, and he looks like he made a pretty big, good investment, and he might probably try to turn this company around into an online store. Remember, GameStop could become the next blockbuster if they do not innovate. They need to go online. So he started his Chewy online. So he could be changing the company, but the share price has gone up a lot, much more than you could justify for. It's already priced in for the next 5 years, 10 years of the company growth. If the company is growing, I'm just saying, not right now the company is not growing, losing money every year. So it may not start to make profit and take 2 to 3 years later. So if I already own the shares, I would have already sold the shares. So because the price already pricing for the next 10 years, 20 years if the company survive. I'm just saying that. So okay, so fine. Right now everybody is betting in GME and AMC. People are buying. They are trying to squeeze the shorts, and the shorts are not giving up because the old ones are out, the new ones coming because they saw that the share prices have been going up like crazy. That's not sustainable. So we need to short. So they come in. So that's why the stock price goes down and come up, like every single day. So these are my 5 bold predictions, and I'm gonna give you my bonus prediction at the end of the video. So my prediction number 5. The old shorts will recover or eventually, then stock will plunge dramatically after people start staying. Because most people though they need the money. It's not like rich people they can forget and put the money away to forget about it. It's like retail investor. They do the investor. They just started learning about trading. They have no idea how what the investor is. So they just see the stock price rise. So they think this is a casino because casinos are closed. They think this is their newfound casinos. They bet. They don't know what they are doing. And if they see the price start going down, they're gonna start selling one after another. So the bet holders will be the last one who will be holding losses with tears. So this is my prediction number 5. And my prediction number 4 will be margin call. One option expire, and the investor, if they don't exercise, brokers usually automatically exercise. And if the investor don't have the shares, the money to buy, at these $300-400 share price, they're gonna force them to sell. So in that situation, stock price will likely plunge due to selling pressures. Because that's a lot of options. That's gonna expire. And the market can't stabilize. This is my prediction number 3. Clearly houses or brokers could go out of business because they need credit facility to fund this trade to settle the trade. So all this money, so if they don't have the credit facility, or they need to do something, or they could go out of business, bankrupt. And also hedge funds could sell other long holding positions. How long that have made a lot of gains. It could be Amazon, Apple, Tesla, any stock that appreciated so a lot because they know that rather than covering the shorts, we just want to make sure that we just gonna hold the shorts. Because if they don't want to lose their money, what we're gonna sell our stock that appreciated a lot, then put the money in short because the stock's gonna come down eventually someday. That's what they think. They're gonna sell other stocks. So the stock markets may get the corrections for other long-term investors. S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, whatever it is. And my prediction number 2 will be there could be a trade suspension for a few days, or maybe a few weeks, or maybe a month, or maybe more. So SEC could come in, or even politicians or capital lawmakers, hey, this is they're getting out of hand, getting dangerous. Let's suspend trading. So that happens. A lot of people could not get out, and they have the shares holding, and they need money, and they are getting nervous. Hey, what's gonna happen when the market reopens? Would they start free falling? So when that happens, everybody start to place their orders at the market price or whatever. Hey, I want to be the first one to get out. When it opens, because I need this money to pay the mortgage, to pay the car loan, or whatever the reason that might be. So it will most likely plunge because people want to take out money very really fast. So yeah, my prediction number one: the Indonesian brokers will start to restrict trading. The brokers from Canada, UK, Australia, Singapore, Korea, Hong Kong. Hey, it's getting dangerous. We don't want to lose money, so we're gonna restrict trading in these stocks, speculative stocks. So in that situation, hey, the buy side demand will be reduced, and the stock price will likely go down. That's my prediction number one. I'm excited about my bonus predictions. This is my bonus prediction. GME could issue new shares to get capital. Yeah, I mean, if I were the management, if I were the CEO, that's a great management decision to turn around the company to go digital, to go e-commerce. That's what Elon Musk did for Tesla. When the Tesla stock price skyrocketed, he issued new shares. That's a really great decision. This could be a once in a lifetime opportunity for GME management to issue new shares. In that situation, when the new shares flood the market, the stock price could go down because it's called dilution. The more money you print, your money becomes value less. And also the same, your stock values could go down as well. So and then personally, I like to buy stocks before they went up. So I bought this Fizz National Beverage stock on December 8. I looked at the company; they were selling a lot of soda, a lot of beverages, even during the pandemic. So I like this company; they were paying dividends, so I bought it. So I knew that they could go up a lot higher. Yeah, absolutely. They went up to more than $196. So it's more than double the money within 1 month. So congratulations to my stock membership patrons. If you also bought it as well. And also I also bought BBBI on January 5th because I knew that this company is turning around. They got a new management. They started investing in e-commerce, and we start to see the impact they have been making. So I bought this company as in my dividend portfolio, and also a few other portfolio as well. So yeah, it's more than double as well. It reached over $50, so more than double. So congratulations to my stock membership patrons. So what I will do, I still have Fizz and BBVY. I don't need to sell them because I like this company fundamentals, but the stock price has run up really really quick, more than double in just within 1 month. So I might be selling some of the shares, and my ideally I want to sell more than $200, but let's see what is gonna happen. And BBVY as well, I stay holding in a dividend portfolio. I might sell some position, and in my opinion, most retail investors will likely get hurt during GME drama. They don't know what they're doing. They don't have education on. They don't take stock investing courses. As well. And this situation don't usually end well for the retail investor buying speculative stocks. 99% of traders lose, and only 1% of traders win consistently over time. And I don't chase stock personally. I do research in advance. I buy great stock that could triple, double, or quadruple before that happens. So sleeping well and traveling are my main goals because I'm retired. So all investment have risk, so you can make a lot of money and lose all your money. So this is not to say, this is not for me to say that you should sell GME or AMC or you should buy or anything. So invest only what you can afford to lose. This video is for only entertainment purposes only, not investment advice to buy or sell or anything. So if you're interested, right now it's close, already full. So and I might be opening up again at the beginning of the month usually. So you can check it out if you're interested in long-term growth stock that could double, triple, or quadruple within a few years, or you are somebody interested in day trading, making money really quick, within one day, within a few days. So you trade patrons for you, and both of the membership comes with the Save Up Patron. Save Up Patron is a dividend, so you're gonna I send out the dividend stock a lot every time I buy or sell. So the link is down below as well. You can remember this link and type it in browser if you want. And if you want to save money, Platinum gonna cover basically trading Patreon as well, Gold Patreon and Silver Patreon. So this is like the most comprehensive. You save $16. Rather than you taking two membership, you will save $16. So the link is down below as well. So yeah, trading requires special skill, just like investing, in my opinion. Those who have experience in investing get better at trading much easier. And that happens when preparation miss opportunities. So study hard so that you are always ready. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. Yeah, you don't need to have 100,000, a few 100,000 in your stock portfolio. You can start with $10 per day, or a few hundreds, or a few thousand. That's how I got started. So that changed my life. And useful links for you in the description. You can get free stocks. I really appreciate you watching my videos. I want to change your lives. So open an account, get free stocks, and get free audiobooks. And if you want to become a real estate agent, you can take the licensing cost below as well. If you're paying more than $15 a month, you're paying too much for your cell phone. So all the links are down below as well. So if you want to reach out to me, the best way is comment down below, and you can leave voicemail or comment on Facebook. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe on YouTube, like see first Facebook, and follow Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.